Detox. Almost every other day we get a comment of people asking us, what do we do for a daily detox? And other than Triphala, if I have to suggest you guys something for daily detox, is the CCFT. It is one of the simplest teas in Ayurveda which takes care of almost every problem that you have on a daily basis. Be it bloating, acidity, detox, inflammation, this simple recipe does go a long way because it does give your body the daily reset that it really needs. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Rini. Welcome to Fix Your Ahar series by Maharishi Ayurveda, and today we're making CCFT. The ingredients of this tea are listed on the screen, and let's start. This is the simplest recipe I can provide you, and with this we need only 2 cups of water to start with. I'll put my water for boiling. Let it boil for about 1 minute. All you need for this tea is 1 teaspoon fennel, 1 teaspoon coriander, and half a teaspoon cumin. Let's start. Now that the water has started boiling, I'll start with my first ingredient, which is my personal favorite ingredient, that is fennel or saunf. The qualities of fennel are that it is Vata Pitta balancing, it is cooling to you in nature, and anybody who has digestive issues, their appetite is not doing so well, and even those who have worms infestation, fennel is a great addition to your daily diet regime. My next ingredient is coriander. I'm going to take about 1 teaspoon of that, just the coriander seeds. I let them boil a little bit. Until that time, we're going to talk about coriander. Now, coriander is that one herb that most people don't know can also be really used for those who have asthma, cough disorders, or even sinus issues. Most of the time, coriander in our diet is used as an appetizer or as a herb that gives you some flavor, but it has really good therapeutic effects and is shwasa. That means really helps those who have cough and respiratory disorders. It is Pitta and Kapha balancing. That means anybody who has excess heat in the system and anybody who has excess Kapha in the system. That means anyone who coughs every day or who has asthma, who has a lot of allergies, can really benefit a lot from using coriander in their diet. Now we'll move on to our next and final ingredient, which is cumin. Cumin or jeera is a warming seed, and I'm only putting about half a teaspoon in this entire mixture. I let it boil, and now I'm going to cover the lid because I want the aromas of these seeds to actually stay within my water, and we're going to boil it till the time we actually reduce it to 1 cup. Now, the benefit of cumin is it is a warming herb. It is Vata and Kapha balancing. That means anybody who has pains in their body, people with arthritis, people who have menstrual pains, people who have water retention, can benefit a lot from adding cumin. Those who have gas, bloating on a regular basis can use cumin a lot more than regular people. For those who are not wanting to do this on a daily basis, we do have a lot of dosha balancing teas like Vata, Pitta, and Kapha balancing teas, which actually go with your particular body type. If you don't know your body type, there is a video that we've already made, or you can also go on the dosha quiz on MaharishiAyurvedaIndia.com to see and find out what is your particular body type. Even though I've referenced to these teas as being dosha balancing, this particular tea is also quite balancing in nature. It not only detoxes your body, that means it's not only cleansing out the toxins being accumulated in your body, it is rekindling your Agni. Agni is the central digestive fire which actually helps digest all the food, all the emotions that settle in your body, and this tea not only helps with your digestive health but also with your mental health. Saunf or fennel does give a lot of mental clarity as well, so using it is not only going to detox your intestines or your colon but also your brain. This tea not only helps actually give you the appetite that you've lost over time because of eating those junk food, but what it does is it makes your body go lighter. So within 7 days of use, you'll see that your body is actually feeling a lot more lighter than before. And I can vouch for this because I do use CCF tea on a daily basis, and I'm going to tell you how exactly I use it. So what I do is, once I've boiled my CCF tea in the morning, and that's the first thing I put on my gas stove right in the morning, I'm going to filter out the herbs. What most people also do is they choose not to filter out these herbs and actually let them sit in the water for long. You can do both depending on how you like it. I personally boil the herbs properly, boil the seeds properly, and then just drink the tea. The way I usually do is, I'm not going to have this cup like this. I'm not a person who drinks my tea in one go. What I'm going to do this is, I'm going to keep a thermos like this and kind of pour my tea in the morning and carry this thermos along with me everywhere. So I'm going to take this and keep sipping it throughout the day, which actually has very small but incremental effect of loosening out your ama or your toxins. And what it does is, anytime that you're eating and you're not able to digest whatever you've eaten, it kind of helps remove that undigested waste when it's accumulating. So not only does this detox the old waste that has been sitting in your colon, but it also helps not let the accumulation happen to begin with. Thank you so much for joining us. Hope you enjoy this drink, this tea, especially during festive season. It's very, very useful if you've eaten those sweets, if you've eaten heavy food, if you've eaten fried food. Don't regret it. It's okay to fall in that trap sometimes, but carry this tea with you so that it can help you release that excess bloating from your system and also control your weight gain through the festive season that's coming up. Thank you so much for joining us, and keep watching our Fix Your Ahar series for some more interesting Ayurvedic and healthy recipes. Enjoy.